PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional residential air duct cleaning services in Bala Cynwyd, PA, helping homeowners enjoy cleaner air and a healthier indoor environment. Our expert residential air duct cleaning removes these contaminants, creating a cleaner, healthier living environment for you and your family. Call our residential air duct cleaning service today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a residential air duct cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. How often should residential air ducts be cleaned? You should clean your air ducts every 3 to 5 years, but more frequently if you have pets, allergies, or have recently renovated. However, the EPA believes that duct cleaning is not necessary unless you have obvious mold or bugs, and instead recommends inspections before each heating season. Does homeowners insurance cover air duct cleaning? No, standard home insurance generally does not cover routine air duct cleaning because it's considered regular maintenance or wear and tear, not damage from a covered peril like fire or storm. What is your service area for the Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania service office? Our residential air duct cleaning have served Bala Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamonix, Overbrook, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania residential air duct cleaning office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard number 303, Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Bala-Cynwyd.